So my name is Erich Griessler. I'm a sociologist and I'm working at the Institute for Advanced Studies in Vienna. And I'm interested in the topic of responsible research and innovation because I always have been intrigued by the question or how society and science, technology and innovation are interrelated, and how science, technology and innovation somehow has a strong impact on our society and the way we conceive ourselves. And I was interested in the question how we can, is this something which we are only a victim of, or is there a possibility that we can consciously influence this co-evolution of technology and society? And therefore I was interested in ethics, I was interested in technology assessment, in ethical, legal and social aspects of medicine, and I became interested in what was then coined responsible research and innovation. And that's the reason why I'm here.
What are your thoughts on the SATORI project in general?
I think the SATORI project is a very interesting project because you can somehow have this idea that ethics is an important issue, that there should be some kind of governance of ethics, and there should be some kind of formalized and unified procedures to do that. And I think this is a very laudable cause, but I think it's also extremely difficult because when you look at how we see science and technology and we look at ethics, I would assume that everybody thinks, okay, I know exactly what being ethical means, but as soon as we start to talk about it, we see that we kind of have differences. What some people, or in what is perceived in some organizations or in some countries as ethically, is perceived in other countries not ethically at all. And also the issues which are covered by ethics are quite different in different countries, and the procedures are very different. And there are also different assumptions who is entitled to talk about ethics. If you look at something like bioethics committees, in some countries there are priests on the ethics board, and in other countries this would be inconceivable. So I think given this idea of SATORI, that you want to have a kind of unified framework for ethics, which you can apply across Europe and maybe even globally, I think, as was said today already, the devil lies in the detail. But it's an it's an interesting project, which I really like.
So, the last question. What are your thoughts on the ambition to develop a methodology for the cost effectiveness and risk-benefit analysis of ethics assessment?
I wouldn't say that I'm critical about it, but I'm very skeptical about it. I think, as I said during the meeting today, I think we focus too strongly on certain points within the research process where we try to make certain decisions whether research should be carried out or should be rejected or should be changed. And I think it's maybe more fruitful to take a continuous dialogical process where different actors within an organization or across organizations and from involving many disciplines and involving also stakeholders in the public kind of talk to each other on a regular basis what they consider as ethical, what they consider as a research project they would consider as ethical, or what kind of instruments, activities they would consider as being ethical. So I think I'm kind of skeptical towards a kind of measurement approach. I think it's much more to align different actors about their ideas and see what happens in communication.